Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to delete your Instagram account 2024. So today, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Instagram account. First thing you need to do, you need to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Then click the three horizontal line on the top right. Then after that, go to Account Center. When your Account Center, scroll down until you see Personal Details. Then after clicking Personal Details, click Account Ownership and Control. After that, deactivate or delete. Click that, then go click Nimbus. After clicking that, you'll need to choose delete account. So deleting account, as you can see, deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile photos, videos, comments, like and followers will be permanently moved. If you if you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna delete our account. So we're gonna continue. So we're gonna put in something else and continue. Then we're gonna add in our password. There we go. I'm just gonna cut this part. And there we go. We're here. Sorry, I cut that part because I was entering my password. Then let's continue. Delete account. There you go. It's deleting. That's right. There you go. And that's how you delete your account in Instagram. I hope you liked the video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're wondering what account is this is my other account. So yeah, that's it. That's how you delete your account in Instagram. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.